I'm really sorry, no? Kung you know, tinamaan ho kami kasi ng egay. Mga nagde-decide are the department heads.
Ayaw pa rin niya sumagot. Okay.
Doon sa contempt.
Parang takot na takot si Mr. Governor na tanungin ko tungkol dun sa kwan eh.
Kayo po ay sinundo na ng appeared sa ating mga committee, dapat hindi na po tayo umabot sa ganitong sitwasyon. I don't know if my statements are right, if it is still, kung late na po yung appeal nung kagalang-galang nating gobernador. Pero alam niyo po, ang akin lamang, just a thought, ito yung personal opinion ko, we should always protect not only the interest of the House, but respect the interest of the House, because this may serve as a precedence in the future.
Well, if I am late, I'm really sorry, no? Kung tinamaan ho kami kasi ng egay, no? It's a super typhoon which was hit the most northern part of my province. It's quite far from the Capitolio, and that is why we have to move to the center of the province to be able to address yung pinaka-northern post po namin, including our island towns and island barangays. And that is why it's practically napakahirap po mag-respond.
Yes, sir. Governor, before you answer, that's true, sir. Your assistant provincial treasurer actually testified, sir, that if she was given a travel authority, she would have attended the hearing on August 7, and that the only reason that she was unable to attend was because she was not given the said travel authority, sir. So,
The mga department heads ko, no, are the ones I consult, no, most of the time, no, because I have, I think, 35 department heads. That's why I could not call on all of them. Although, kung minsan, yung mga assistants nila, dala-dala nila. And most of the time, ang mga nagde-decide are the department heads. Your Honor, Mr. Chair, we still have these pending cases, no? I have a case in the COMELEC, no? I also have a pending.
Mr. Chair, I take it to mean na ayaw pa rin niya sumagot. Okay. Mr. Chair.
Just for clarification lang, Chairman Acop, your question is related to the merit of the resolution or to the contempt and detention order from Gov.Mamba?
I was just going to ask some questions about his explanation, Mr. Chair.
Doon sa contempt.
Parang takot na takot si Mr. Governor na tanungin ko tungkol dun sa kwan eh.
Gov,
Defensive.
Gov, the line of questioning of Chairman Acop will be on the contempt and the detention order by this committee. We will not discuss about the merit of the resolution 145 and 146. Will you answer the query of, basta related lang doon sa contempt? You will answer? Okay, please proceed, Chairman Acop. We'll just limit our question doon sa contempt at saka detention order. Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. If I listened properly to the explanation of the good governor, the reason why he was not able to respond to the two show cause orders was because his provincial administrator was cited in contempt and detained in the premises of this institution. Yun po yung specific na rason niya. You can read it. Yun po ang rason niya. Na hindi niya nasagot yung show cause orders because his provincial administrator was detained because she was cited in contempt. Yun po ang rason. Sinulat ko rito eh. The second one was, ang reason niya ay dahil dun sa pagdating ng mga typhoon and then he has to do his job there. Now, kung yung kanyang mga minions or employees ay sumunod po sa atin, bakit kaya yung mismong governor ay hindi sumunod? When in fact, he should be the one to show the example to follow the law. That's my issue, Mr. Chair. And the other issue is, in his letter, when he signed or wrote this letter, he stated there's a colatilla there, that this is not a waiver of any remedies available to me by law, and without prejudice to not abandon of my pending petition for certiorari and prohibition before the Supreme Court. Nakafile na po ba ito, Mr. Governor? Was it already filed or received by the Supreme Court?
Opo.
Yes. When was it filed? Kasi itong kopya ang binigay nyo sa amin, pinakita ng COMSEC, wala pang receipt ng Supreme Court.
August 22 at 3:15 p.m.
And therefore, na-file na po.
Opo.
So, I take it to mean na hindi po kayo naniniwala doon sa show cause, the reasons behind the show cause order. Tama po ba?
Hindi naman po. No? I also have my legal remedies I felt. No,
I know.
that's why I
You're
consulted
entitled to
also.
that, Governor.
Yes.
Pero would it not mean that kayo po ay hindi naniniwala sa logic or the reason behind the show cause orders?
That's why I
Hindi,
ako po, no?
sagutin nyo lang po ako.
I believe it.
I believe. But you believe that there's logic behind the issuance of the show cause orders and yet you're questioning it doon sa Supreme Court? Is that what you're trying to tell us?
Yeah, kaya nga po, I want to explain my side too. No, why I did this, because I might be bereft of legal remedies.
Okay.
Kaya nga po. And that is why, no, I'm not a lawyer, sir. Pasensya na kayo, no? I always seek yung ng lawyers ko.
I understand that.
I met your doctor by
I
profession.
understand that,
That is
Mr.
why.
Governor.
I'm
You're
sorry.
entitled to all these things.
Yes.
I understand that. Thank you.
Engaging any other lawyer to advise you on how to answer the queries of this committee? I see that you have a battery of lawyers behind you. So
You may not believe it, Mr. Chair, no? I depend so much on legal matters sa provincial administrator ko. She's my niece, no? When she was detained here, she was only given 30 minutes at 9 and then 30 minutes at 3. No? Siguro, I don't know. Baka nakalimutan niya ring i-remind ako of the things that I have to do. No, you may not believe it, no? And that is why masakit po sa akin yun dahil I got him from private practice. Pinauwi ko po. Please help me out. And that is why, no, I really, I'm sorry for not attending to that kaagad-agad po.